Hi everyone, today we are having kind of graduation and the occasion demands that I say a few words. So I'd like to thank Vadim for letting me be part of this marathon. This is not the first time. I've already taken part in one of his previous marathons on phrasal verbs, and I took part in his focus group for life story course. I'm grateful for the opportunity to practice my English, even though I'm a teacher. Now I have a vacation, I'm on vacation now, and I don't have enough practice. So this was a good opportunity to have some practice and to feel what it is like to be in my students' shoes, to understand kind of problems they might have, and to see how they perceive a language. Because their view is a bit different from the professional's view, and that's why I find this marathon really helpful, not only for students but for teachers as well. And I like Vadim's creative tasks. Some of them were quite challenging, even though I'm a teacher. Some of them were hard for me because they involved using your imagination, like a day. Imagine a day of travel agent's life, and to pretend to be a travel agent, to engage some customers to buy a tour and so on. Well, it was really hard for me because I don't know, I just don't like this profession, and it was really hard to imagine and to like to be really, I don't know, realistic, to sound the way a travel agent should. So yeah, thank you for that, because you are always broadening our minds, and that's really good because you make our brain work, and it improves not only the memory but I don't know, communication skills as well. And it even doesn't matter what kind of language it is it English or Russian. It is hard to kind of role play, to feel like you're an actor, and you have to create the whole situation in your mind, create the whole story, and to tell it. So thank you, it was quite challenging, as I said. And also there were tasks I like a lot, like for example, to be a blogger for one day, and it was really nice to use the vocabulary that is really relevant to my interests, and that is really relevant to real life. Like, everybody nowadays uses Instagram, almost everybody. Yeah, and that's why you gave us the vocabulary that is really necessary for just communication, normal communication, informal English. This is great, and I'm very thankful because you did it for free. You allowed us to improve our skills, and you checked our home task, not maybe so thoroughly as you did with VIP group, but you gave us feedback, and I really appreciate it. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you guys all again, maybe in the next marathon or in some other project, because all Vadim's projects are very interesting. So goodbye, see you.